In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Microsoft Teams from a Windows laptop. Whether you're handing over your laptop to someone else or simply want to ensure your account is secure, signing out is a quick and straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together so you can do it with ease and confidence. To begin, you'll want to locate and open the Microsoft Teams application on your computer. If it's not already on your taskbar or desktop, you can find it by using the search function in your Start menu. Once the app is up and running, take a look at the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll see your profile picture or your initials if you haven't set a profile photo yet. Click on this icon to bring up a drop-down menu. This menu provides several options related to your account and app settings. To sign out, you'll want to select the option that says Sign Out. It's usually located towards the bottom of this menu, so make sure you scroll down if necessary to find it. After you've clicked Sign Out, the application might prompt you to confirm your action. This extra step ensures that you don't accidentally sign out if you didn't mean to. If you do see this confirmation dialog, simply click Sign Out once more to proceed. Once you've confirmed, Microsoft Teams will promptly sign you out, and you'll be taken back to the sign-in screen. This screen is your assurance that you're no longer logged into your account, making it safe to step away from your computer or let someone else use it without accessing your Teams data. And there you go, that's how you sign out of Microsoft Teams from a Windows laptop. Remember, signing out is a good habit to get into if you're using a shared device or just want to keep your information secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next video.